Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you the Legend DuraTherm Ceiling Liners we have installed here in our Ford Transit cargo van. This happens to be a 148-inch regular wheelbase with the mid-roof height. And what these do is they protect the ceiling. So typically you buy a cargo van, it's just all exposed sheet metal for your ceiling here. That means when you load in a ladder or lumber or something and accidentally nick that sheet metal up here, you're denting the exterior of the van, which means paint chipping, corrosion, rust, all of that. So this helps protect the ceiling in the van, and it also has a layer of insulation on the back of it, so it's going to help cut down on that road noise as well as help control temperatures back here. Your greatest heat loss is going to be through the ceiling, so this really does add a lot of insulation benefit to the van. Now this particular ceiling liner installs using only plastic push-in clips. As you can see here, these line up with existing holes in kind of the cross members in the roof, and you're just going to push these in place. Now on the 148 regular mid-roof van, this is a two-piece ceiling liner. You're gonna have one that goes all the way up here from your B pillar all the way to the back, and then you're gonna have a joiner strip, just a small little piece that's gonna go right back here. The liners will come pre-scored to cut out the locations if you have factory lights like we do here. We also installed some aftermarket lights from Legend as well. But if you do have factory lights, they do provide kind of pre-scored or pre-trimmed on the back of the liner, so you can easily cut those out. If you don't have the factory lights, don't cut them out, and you're gonna have a nice seamless ceiling. Now another addition to our ceiling liners here that we highly recommend are these aluminum ceiling sills. These are a diamond plate pattern. What they do is they help just make a nice transition between your ceiling and your wall. Otherwise, you're gonna have some exposed sheet metal back here. There's also gonna be your plastic conduit for your wiring harnesses and all that along the driver's side right here that this covers over top of. Now I do recommend pairing this with a wall liner kit and door liner kit. If you're looking at just the ceiling liners, it's just gonna be these two panels that cover the ceiling. And if you get the sills, it's going to be these sills right here. If you wanna order the walls, it's gonna be a separate product, as well as the door liners here. We do recommend it for the ultimate protection in your van. Now, if you're looking for these ceiling liners from Legend, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. If you need anything else for your work van or truck, be sure to check us out as well. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.